Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 BMW M4. BMW enthusiasts rejoice. The 2025 BMW M4 is here, setting new standards in luxury and performance. This latest iteration of the iconic M4 is not just a car. It's a work of art on wheels, blending exquisite design with jaw-dropping speed. Elegant design. The 2025 M4 is built to impress with its sleek and luxurious look. Eye-catching style, aerodynamic shape, and bold stance make it stand out. Premium features, carbon fiber details, LED laser headlights, and a redesigned grille highlight its elegance. Unique colors, fresh metallic and custom paint options add to its charm. Incredible performance. The 2025 M4 delivers thrilling speed and precise control. Powerful engine, turbocharged inline-six engine with up to 550 horsepower. Quick acceleration, reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds for an exhilarating ride. Advanced MX drive, provides excellent handling on any road. Track-ready setup, lightweight chassis and improved suspension for racing performance. Luxury interior with smart tech. Inside, the M4 combines comfort and innovation. Driver-focused cabin. A curved digital display integrates all your controls and entertainment. High-end materials, leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum finishes for a refined feel. Modern connectivity includes 5G, wireless charging, and the updated iDrive 9 system. Safety first. BMW ensures peace of mind with advanced safety features. Driving assistance, semi-autonomous features for easy highway driving. Collision prevention, improved cameras and sensors for better awareness. Adaptive lights, perfect visibility in any condition. Options for every driver. The 2025 M4 offers models to match different preferences. M4 Coupe, classic style and performance. M4 Competition, more power and sharper handling. M4 Convertible, open-top driving with no loss of performance. Coming in 2025, with its stunning design, incredible speed, and luxurious features, the 2025 BMW M4 is set to redefine high-performance cars. It will be available in early 2025, ready to wow car enthusiasts everywhere. The 2025 BMW M4, where luxury meets excitement. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.